the YouTube channel. And in the last video we learned about the column, that what is column and how we can add a backend query to a column. So in this video we will learn about a row, what is a row, what a row can do, and things like this. Okay, so we will add we can add anything to a widget, but you can see that we can add a button and we can't add another thing like text. If we add another thing, then it says replace child widget. But why? Because we can't add anything like this, because we need a proper UI design like a column or a row. If we add a column, then we can add anything like text, then container, then in the column we can add image, and we can add button. These are different widgets, and you can see that all of them are added vertically. But if you want the same thing as horizontally, then what will you do? This is the property of a column, but now we will learn that what is a row. You can see that we have so many options, that is conditional. What is conditional, we will learn about this in next videos. Like if you have a row in your UI, and if you don't want to make the row visible in different situations, then you can add conditional action. If this is true, only then the row will be shown, or if this is false, then only then the row will be shown. That is the thing about conditional action. And what is padding element? You can see that from the upwards we can add 20 padding. Then the row will be shifted 20 pixels from the upper side, and same for left, right, and everything. You can add padding at once from all of the sides, and this is the shortcut. You can set the alignment like this, but for now we will learn that what is a row. We will remove the padding. Row has the same properties like main axis size. Here you can see this uses the minimum amount of size on the main axis, and this uses the maximum amount of size in the main axis. If main axis alignment is left, then you need an example for this. If we have a text in a row, then you can see let's add some padding to the text, so it will be easier to understand that where is the row. Here we have the row, and let's copy and paste 2. We have 2 texts in a row, and you can see that both of the texts are aligned left. So if we want to make them at the center, then we can use this, and if we want it to at the right position, then we can use this. Or for space evenly, like if we have available space, then it will space evenly, or it will space around, or it will space between. That means the elements it will have, like if you have 2 elements, then one will be shifted left and one will be shifted right. But for now let's make it to the center. And same for the cross axis alignment. It will not be shown here. This will keep all the text at the bottom, and that for up, and that for the bottom. Sorry, that for the center, that for the bottom, and that for the up. And this is the scrollable action. If you want to make the row scrollable, if you can see that if we have so many texts, like let's paste it. Let's paste so many text, as you can see that the text is not visible and we can't scroll the row. But if we make the row scrollable, then we can swipe the row like this. Then we can access the elements which are not in the screen. So that's how a row scrollable action works. And as you can see, the row also have a add query option and a generating children from variable option. So, and this is an action field, we'll learn about it later. Like if you click on the row, like on one tab, on double tap, or long press, what should happen? You can add action. So that was all about a row. You can see that the main difference between the row and a column, the column allows you to add elements in column or vertically, and the row allows you to add elements or widgets horizontally. That's the main difference, and both are scrollable. So if you guys are not subscribing, please subscribe to this channel. That will motivate us to make new videos for future. And that's it for today, guys, I think, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.